In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn into HubSpot in just a few steps. This integration is extremely useful as it allows you to streamline your workflow, connecting your LinkedIn accounts directly into HubSpot, which is a powerful tool for customer relationship management and marketing automation. To get started, first, go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you should see a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to move forward. HubSpot offers multiple sign-in options, but for ease of access, you might want to consider using the Sign in with Google option if you have a Google account linked to HubSpot. This will take you through Google's sign-in process. Choose the appropriate account and you'll be set. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner again and find the marketplace icon. It might resemble a cart or a store. Click it to open the HubSpot marketplace, where you'll find a wide variety of apps that can expand HubSpot's functionality. Once in the marketplace, your next task is to click on Apps. This is where HubSpot lists all integrations. In the search bar on the Apps page, type in LinkedIn. This is the quickest way to find the LinkedIn integration option, eliminating any confusion or unnecessary scrolling. Once you see LinkedIn pop up in your search results, click on it to view more details about the integration. You should then see an option to Install App. Click this to begin the installation process. After clicking Install App, you'll be prompted to choose the account you want to connect with LinkedIn. Choose the correct account associated with your business needs, and then click Continue with this account to proceed. You might notice a button saying Connect Accounts. You'll want to click this to establish the link between HubSpot and LinkedIn. The next step is selecting LinkedIn from the list of available platforms to connect. This step will direct you to a LinkedIn login page. At this point, you need to enter your LinkedIn credentials, your email and password, into the fields provided. This is a pivotal part as it grants permission to HubSpot to access your LinkedIn account for the integration. After entering your details, finalize by clicking Sign In. And there you have it, a seamless connection between LinkedIn and your HubSpot account, ready to boost your productivity by integrating powerful social media insights directly into your CRM platform. Congratulations on completing the integration. Now you can enjoy the advantage of having your LinkedIn data right at your fingertips in HubSpot. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.